Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisin and today I'm going to show you the amount of money that I'm getting in making contents or videos here in YouTube. Now I will be very transparent and I will be showing you the numbers so that you could also get information about it. So anyways, I have been a YouTuber since 2019 and the content that I'm making is about trading, okay? Mostly about trading. I teach people on how to trade Forex, how to trade stocks, how to trade cryptos. And since that topic is not very popular to a lot of audiences, I'm only getting a very minimal number of views. I will be showing you my monitor. Okay, like for this one, I recently uploaded this one 5 days ago, and in an average, I'm only getting like around 98 views for this video. And for some, I'm getting a fewer number of views, especially if these videos are not very relatable. Now, I'm going to show you the analytics that I have since 2019 and up until February 24. I already received $957 for this channel. Now, if you're going to ask me, this is a very low number compared to other YouTubers out there because my content is not very popular, even though I already have like 10,000 subscribers already. So in short, it's not about the number of subscribers that you have. It's not about how many videos you make, but it's about the number of people visiting your profile, clicking your videos, watching your videos, and sharing your videos. So anyways, I will be showing you the exact number for each month. So in this portion right here, guys, I will be showing you some of the details. Like in the month of June 2022, I got $85, and then in July, I already reached my threshold of $100. Because in YouTube, for you to withdraw your money, you have to reach a specific threshold of $100. If you can't reach $100 quickly, then you have to wait for several months up until you reach the threshold. So this is $100, and then in August, I only got $15. In September, I only got $30, and in October, I only got $41. So as you can see, the amount of money that I'm getting is not a constant amount. For example, in this month, I will be earning big. In the following months, I will be earning small. It really depends on the number of people watching your videos. And let's count this one from this one, August 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the time interval between this $100 up until this $100 is around 10 months. So if you're going to divide it, it's like I'm only getting an average of $10 per month. And as what I've said, it's not specific. Sometimes I'm getting fewer than that, and sometimes I'm getting more than that. And now let's continue. In June, I got $7. In July, I only got $14. Very few. Oh, someone has subscribed to our channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And this one in August, $20. In September, $25. In October, $34. In November, $45. In December, $66. And they are still not yet done in computing my salary in January. So as of the moment, I already have $66 in my account. And I will be waiting for a couple of months before I could reach the threshold of $100. So as you can see, guys, being a YouTuber is not very easy. Even though you uploaded a lot of videos, even though you gave a lot of effort and spent a lot of money in doing your content, but if people are not watching your videos, if there are only very limited viewers, then you will not be earning a lot of money for this one. But yeah, I hope you learned something from that, and I hope that you could also be successful in making content here in YouTube if you're planning to be one. So anyways, thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.